So a customer has asked for a simple build. She has these plants and she wants me to make a garden bed over here. The dimensions are 110 by 25 and 25 height. So let's do it. So I'm going to explain a bit of the plants. This is the garden bed itself. It's going to be 110 centimeters by 20 and 28 is going to be the height, and there's going to be 4 centimeters legs on the bottom. So we're going to need two pieces that are 110 by 10 centimeters. It's going to be the bottom part. Four parts of 110 by 14. These are the sides, 1 2 1 2. Then we need four 16 by 14s. These are going to be this side, so 1 2 3 and 4. Now we're going to need, these are the posts, the legs in each corner that are going to be also the legs downstairs. Now we're going to hold everything together, so 30 centimeters. And then last up is three pieces that are going to be 20 centimeters by 6. That are going to join up the bottom part. They're going to be 1 2. First up, I'm cutting these 110 centimeters.
Walking other ways. Now listen, ain't it crazy? Wish you the best on your journey. Last time I saw you, lady, we were walking.
Now Razuni's cutting the 20 centimeter pieces.
Now ain't it crazy? Ain't it crazy? Wish you the best on your journey. Wish you the best.
This is everything cut up, so there are 4 of these, 2 of these, 4 of the small ones over here, and 3 of the connector pieces, and 4 of the legs, these ones. Now let's sand everything and connect them up. This is the bottom piece. These are the 3 pieces that are going to connect it together. These are the side pieces. And over here, we're going to cut out a room for the 2 legs. We're going to go over here. So that's what I'm going to do. So I clamped the piece to the 2 pieces. These are the places I'm going to mark the holes. So let's drill them. These are all the screws in. Now we're going to do this for over here and here. This is the back panel all done. This is the leg. It's going to go over here. I marked the line and I'm going to cut a piece so it goes through the piece, and it's going to be the leg downstairs. Now it's going to go over here like this, 4 centimeters down, and everything is going to bolt into it. So this is all cut out. Now we're going to take the leg, I'm going to put it in like this, and we're going to screw it together. This is the jig. It's holding up like this, and we're going to pre-drill holes, and you can see these ones are already in. So we're going to do this one and they screw in. This side is already connected. So this is how it's holding up. This is basically the frame, and over here is going to go everything on the sides. So now we're going to put on the sides. Now we've laid it on the side. This is the markings for the screws. Now I'm going to pre-drill and screw the holes in. So this is the first panel on, as you can see. Now we're going to do all the sides and the other one. Stakes were made. I made this 20 centimeters and I didn't take into account these pieces, so it's another 2. So I need to cut some new ones. So I'm cutting new ones to 24 so they fit. So they fit like this and they hide everything. Now that everything is cut, you can see they're gonna go like this and like this, just higher over here. So now I need to sand them down and we're gonna screw them in. Now that they're all sanded, I'm gonna mark where the screws are gonna go in. Marked. Now I'm gonna pre-drill each mark. Now it's screwing in time. Now I'm gonna sand down all the pencil marks and we're gonna add finish. I think the girls with their nails done now. This is is how it turned out. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned for the short. We'll put the garden bed filled with plants and like some more.